Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you a vegan product review. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the great, awesome videos I have coming your way. Let's hop into it. So of course, you know, with COVID-19 cases on the rise right now, and we're about to open the economy back up, pretty much all over the country. Most states have set dates, so you definitely want to make sure that your immune system is boosted and able to fight off anything that it comes up against. All right, so today's product review is going to be an immune boosting shot. So this company by the name of Benni sent me their immunity boosting shots. They are plant-based, they're vegan, they're keto friendly, they are made with all natural products, they have zero sugar, zero sweeteners, non-GMOs, what else? Fully recyclable. Yeah, just a whole bunch of great stuff. Made in Atlanta, so not imported from anywhere. So this is the card that it came with. Benni with an I is their name. And they sent me 4 shots. Let me see if I can get them all in my hands without breaking them. They are glass bottles. Okay, so they sent me these 4 shots. The immunity boosting shots that they sent me are made of turmeric, ginger, and a highly potent black pepper. So these ingredients, turmeric, ginger, black pepper, are all great to boost your immune system. A lot of times, I'll drink hot tea that has ginger, turmeric, and lemon in it. So I already know like these products are definitely good for your body. And as a vegan, you know what you put in your body is very important. So I'm gonna taste test this today on camera for you guys. And I don't know if you guys can see that, and I'm sure you can't see that, but so you can definitely want to shake it up because some of the ingredients do settle at the bottom, so you want to give it a nice shake. And you can drink this chilled or at room temperature. I put mine in the refrigerator, so mine is going to be chilled today. All right. Ooh, that ginger is coming through. Do y'all eat ginger chews? Ginger chews are really good too. So of course, just like alcohol, you know, when you take shots, it's very strong. It's strong. You can taste the ginger, the turmeric, and all of that in here. Almost done. A little more to go. Not bad. I don't usually do shots, but this isn't bad. I definitely could see myself drinking this on a regular basis. It wasn't hard to get down. Like I said, you can definitely taste all the turmeric and the ginger, and my mouth is kind of a little bit on fire from the pepper. Just a little bit, not too unbearable. So let me give you guys their information. You can follow them on Instagram at meet, M-E-E-T, Benni, B-E-N-N-I. Again, that's at Meet Benni, Benni with an I. And their website is meetbenni.com. So you could definitely look up the information. This is 2 ounces for anybody that needs to know how much it is. Like I said, I could definitely see myself drinking this on a regular basis. It's the taste is pretty good. Like when I say pretty good, I mean like it's strong as to be expected with a shot, but it's very bearable. It's like I said, if you know what turmeric, ginger, and pepper tastes like, that's what this tastes like, just together. So yeah, I like Benni. I definitely would recommend Benni. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna probably take The other 3, 1 a day. So I'll probably just start out my day with taking each one. So if I notice anything over the next 4 days as a result of taking the shots, I'll definitely report back to you guys so you know. But that's it. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. As always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.